Have you ever seen a solar eclipse? It's an amazing sight to behold, as the moon passes between the Earth and the Sun, causing the Sun to be partially or completely obscured from view. But what exactly is a solar eclipse, and how does it happen? Let's take a closer look at the science behind this celestial phenomenon. First of all, it's important to understand that the Sun is much larger than the Moon. In fact, the Sun is about 400 times larger than the Moon, and it's also about 400 times further away. But despite this size difference, the Sun and the Moon appear to be about the same size in the sky, thanks to the Moon's close proximity to the Earth. This close proximity also means that the Moon's orbit around the Earth is much more elliptical than the Earth's orbit around the Sun. As a result, the Moon's distance from the Earth varies over time, which can affect the size of the shadow it casts on the Earth. When the Moon's shadow falls on the Earth, we see a solar eclipse. There are two types of solar eclipses: partial, in which the Moon only partially covers the Sun, and total, in which the Moon completely covers the Sun. Total solar eclipses are much rarer than partial eclipses, and they can only be seen from a small area on the Earth's surface. In fact, total solar eclipses are only visible from a narrow path on the Earth's surface, known as the path of totality. If you're lucky enough to be in the path of totality, you'll be able to see the Sun's corona, which is the outer atmosphere of the Sun that is usually hidden by the bright light of the Sun itself. But even if you're not in the path of totality, you can still see a partial solar eclipse from a wider area. Just make sure to use proper eye protection, such as eclipse glasses or a solar filter, to protect your eyes from the Sun's harmful rays. So the next time you see a solar eclipse, remember to take a moment to appreciate the amazing science behind this celestial phenomenon. And if you're planning to observe an eclipse, make sure to do it safely and responsibly, using proper eye protection and following any local guidelines. With a little bit of preparation and some careful planning, you can enjoy this amazing sight for yourself. Happy viewing!